Let's make a restaurant-worthy pasta for two but on a budget. The ingredients are on the screen. This is such a delicious, healthy and affordable dinner that will make a great impression for a date night too. Start by cooking the spaghetti. Add a bay leaf and salt, boil the water and cook until al dente. While that's cooking, dice your onion and garlic. In a hot pan, add olive oil and saute the onion and garlic until fragrant and golden. Now take your fresh tomatoes and chop them. Add them to the pan and cook until soft and smushy. Season the sauce with a half tablespoon of thyme, half tablespoon of basil, and a half teaspoon of salt or to taste. Let it simmer for a few minutes so all the flavors melt together. Toss in the spinach and stir until everything is well combined. The spinach will soften as you mix. Finally, drain your pasta and toast it with the sauce. Here's the best part. All these fresh ingredients cost just under $5 and that's $2.5 per plate. Compare that to a restaurant pasta with this high quality and it can easily run $12 to $15. So you are saving $9 per person without sacrificing the flavor. Serve it warm and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese if you have, and enjoy this delicious home-cooked meal that looks and tastes like it came from an authentic Italian restaurant, but costs a fraction of the price. Enjoy!